So in this video, we are going to be continuing our session of making Nissan GTR in Blender 4.0. So this is what we have made so far. This much stuff. Let me just go here. Like this. Choose one vertex. Or let me just take a bunch. Shift D, then P by selection. Separate that thing out. And now move it a little bit downwards. Yep. Now so we can see here there's a straight line going down. And now we need to go here, extrude it in Z direction till here. We want to scale this up. No, not scale it. We need it broaden. So let us drag it outside and yeah, that's it. Fine. From the front part, we need it to cover all of this. So till here and then the lower part. So we'll first try to make this thing. For that, we'll Control R to make branch, then use our knife tool, cut through here, maybe like this, making a smooth surface. Select all of this and do not extrude it, just drag it outside like this. Let me first shade it smooth and add the necessary modifiers. As we know, the basic ones are mirror and the subdivision surface. As I said earlier in previous lectures too, the process of creating a car is dependent on only 3 to 4 steps. Else, everything is just the same. You just have to make it. Now, let's first fix this weirdness. Let me select Power Shift N. Yeah, as you can see, it's a smooth surface we are getting. Still, it's too high. So we will drag this a bit on this draw to level it accordingly. Now we will sharpen the edge right like this. And at this vertex to be somewhat outward like that. And all of this vertex to be dragged outside. Up. And like this. Great. And then this yeah, this thing will be much easier. Just take it there, Z to make it somewhat slim, and just stretch it as much as we want. And one more thing that we don't need this thing here, so we'll transfer this. Same with this. It looks like it's coming outside. And then we'll just select these vertices and extrude it. As you can see, our design is kind of coming out. So now we need this thing from here to here to be sharp. So we'll just make it sharp curve, or you can see a sharp triangle rather than a curved one. Take it somewhat out and stretch it something like this and like that. And I'm gonna stretch these two vertices to till here. As you can see, it looks good. Now, the thin wire part, for that, I will just create two pieces like this, select this thing, and extrude it till they meet on x-axis. And I'm gonna scale this to, but before that, let me just make this thing come outwards. Till here. As you can see, this you can modify your own as per your own likings. I see this one is good. So in this video, that's it for now. We've successfully created our this whatever we call it. Let me just do last of the few steps. Apply this mirror modifier, subdivision surface, and then solidify it. That's the main thing to get a high quality metal piece. And let us solidify it one more time. Yeah. Now let's just check for any errors. There are none. We can see that. Let us check for our lightning. All the lights travels smoothly. It's looking good. Okay. Yeah. So our checks are done and everything is done. See you in the next video.